Hi guys, let's eat! Here in Cabalen, Glorieta Ford, Makati. Be, say hi! Jod! Nay! Anli naman ta guys, Filipino food. Pero namit lang na food kay there's a lot of choices here. Look, my favorite, kare-kare.
Ay, may kare-kare?
Kare-kare. Then they have like big tilapia here that I like. Then, is it good? Is it good? Judy over there. Then I will start to eat too. Nami nila food guys. They have a lot of choices. Glorieta.